Today is Sarah's last day.
There's just a weird copper boat over there.
And also cross off
I need a pen first.
Today is very sad.
It's my last day.
Do you recommend a visit?
Oh, absolutely, I recommend a visit.
Hey, it's about to be anchor up and taking Miss Sarah back to a place where she can get to Miami Airport. Very sad. It should be a 3 to 4 hour sail. We have very light winds. We might motor sail. Don't know yet. That's a docking fail. We are in the worst rated marina in the United States. Currently, Miami. Back to Elliott Key this morning, and we're ripping at 4.2 knots. Bianca's watching a documentary down below.
Good old David Attenborough.
Ah, yes. Oh, you feeding the family? Are you gonna gaff it? Ugh. Ugly little guy.
Yeah, we should actually take note of the name of this lure if you want to catch snakeheads around here.
What do you think of that fish?
I wanted a tuna. And by the way, if I didn't know any better, I would think that it was a lizard slash snake slash eel slash fish slash... I don't even know.
What number is this?
Number 33. You can check that thing swinging, spinning
It
around.
looks like it's a lure.
Mutilated that hook. Check out that.
Same one.
Find the strength
Fish number 4.
It's just a bloody snakehead, man.
Really? Let me see.
I think I'm gonna have to let this guy run again.
What's happening,
I
Mom?
can't help. I'm taking my gel nail polish off.
What do you think we caught?
I hope it's something,
Delicious?
Because how much further before the channel starts?
about, I don't know, 10, 15 boat lengths.
There's,
What is it? It's red.
it's got one huge mouth.
Pause this video and comment down below what you think it is.
Whoa! Is this like a little shark or something?
Looks like something we can eat. Wow, that looks like a sea bass.
Mom, what are you most
that's not
excited
what
for?
I say.
What?
Eating it? What are you most excited for? Or eating it?
Should I lie or tell the truth?
What is this?
Tell the truth.
I don't know. It looks like a sea
Bianca.
bass. Look. It looks delicious.
It scoops too much water with its mouth.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. Let's eat it.
I hope it's a mahi.
Babe,
Yeah?
I need you.
So what is it? Freya, what do you think of the grouper?
Don't hurt yourself, baby.
Yes, sis. If you miss it, don't worry. We just shows that you need to work on those ones.
Okay.
3 times 11. This is question 13.
Okay. I got that one.
Question 14. 9 times 10.
Cartoonist.
Okay.
Proctologist. Just kidding. That looks like a lot of carbohydrates. Yes.
Looks like
There is a party going on outside and we weren't invited, but it did make an awesome dinner and we're having a party of our own. So, yeah, we're gonna eat.